Hello everyone and welcome you all to this channel. Today we will be doing another lead code question, which is sum of nodes with even valued grandparent. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do subscribe and share it with your friends. So now let's look at the question. It says, given a binary tree, return the sum of values of nodes with even valued grandparent. A grandparent of a node is a parent of its parent if it exists. If there are no nodes with an even valued grandparent, return 0. So in this question, there are two important factors. First is even valued and second is grandparent, or we can say grandchildren. See, in the example given, 6 is the root node and plays the role of grandparent for these 4 nodes, that is 2, 7, 1 and 3. So since it is a grandparent and also even valued, so all these grandchildren nodes will be included in the final result. Similarly, if you look at this node 8, it plays the role of grandparent for this node 5, and since it is even valued as well, then it will also be, then 5, this grandchildren of 8 will also be included in the final result. But as you can see that 7 also plays the role of grandparent, but it is not an even valued node. So the grandchildren of 7, that is 9, 1 and 4 will not be included in the final result. So now let's look at another example. See, this is a BST, binary search tree. So in this, node 1 plays the role of grandparent for these 4 nodes 5, 3, 3 and 6. But as you can see that it is not even valued, so these will not be included in the final result. But here we have 2. This node is a grandparent for 9 and 7. It is also even valued, so 9 and 7 will be included in the final result. So the final result would be 9 plus 7, and similarly this node is also a grandparent for these 3 nodes, that is 5, 8 and 7, and since it is also even valued, then these nodes will also be included in the final result. So the result would be 5 plus 8 plus 7. This would be equal to 7. So the final result would be 36. So now let's look at the approach would be to do a DFS, that is depth first search. Since as you know that in tree we have two kind of searches. It's either breadth first search, which is like this 7, 6, then this, then this, then this, and one we have depth first search like this. Since it is a hierarchical question, which involves grandparent and grandchildren, so it would be better to go for DFS. So the Python solution for this would be, let's first declare a variable self dot sum underscore equal to 0. This would be our final result. Okay, so now let's declare a function def DFS, where we'll be passing 3 variables: root, parent and grandparent. So what we would do is, first the base case, if root equal to none, in that case we will return 0. Second would be if grandparent not equal to none and grandparent dot val modulus 2 equal to 0. That is, we will add that grandchildren to the final sum. So self dot sum underscore plus equal to root dot val. See, root dot val is our current root. The parent is its parent root and grandparent will be its grandparent node. Okay, so we have added it to the final result, and now we will recursively call the DFS. So dfs root dot left would be the next children, will be the next child, and then we would have root, which is the parent, and then parent would become the grandparent if exists. And similarly for the right one, root dot right, root and parent. Now we will call it in the sum even grandparent function. So finally, first the base case, if root equal to none, so we will return 0, and then we will call the our dfs function. So we will call it with root none. See, initially the root let's see this. For this root, the parent and grandparent are none, so that is why we are passing here none and none. So we will now return the final result, return self dot sum underscore. Now let's run this code. So our test case has been executed successfully. Let's now submit the code. Okay, so this is the DFS approach. You can also try it with BFS if you got some time. And guys, do subscribe to this channel. I post regular videos of Leetcode solutions along with Code Chef as well. So guys, do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.